of on the edge.
Yeah, no worries. About there somewhere?
Yeah, that's perfect.
Okay.
Do I look at you?
The lens, if you can, please. Just speak to the lens. Just go whenever you're ready.
Do I have to introduce myself, or?
But it's sort of like, I don't want too many ums and ahs.
I've learned that we can do a lot more with Office 365 than I first thought.
Initially we thought the Office package was just the email functionality. Obviously the presentations today have opened our mind into
how many apps there are and how many apps that we don't actually use.
Having a bit more of an in-depth look at some of the applications in Office 365.
It made me really start thinking about different ways that we could be working.
All about Teams.
Teams.
Hopefully I can go and take that back to my team and get everybody using Teams and working more effectively.
We can put a lot of our EPOS data into
Power BI.
do a lot more with it, a lot easily by the looks of things, and it seems to be really good, and hopefully we can progress really well with it.
So I've learned how to integrate data from Excel and other sources.
Efficient reports in a faster time period.
To make it clear for clients to understand how to interpret the data and how to separate by fields and other variables as well. And
Utilise our time analysing the data other than trying to produce it.
Get Power BI up and running and use it, and I think it will be a massive benefit to actually developing our business.
Thinking about Office 365 as a cultural change.
Move our business forward and work closely and more efficient together.
How we can use that more flexible way of working.
Lots of possibilities that 365 can do that I wasn't aware of.
What we've learned with today, we'll be able to share that with our customers and their customers to benefit us as a business.
Use that sort of software to the best of their ability, do great things with it and drive their business forward.
I think Cooper Parry have given us the opportunity to see what's new in cloud services.
And they clearly care about their customers' outcomes.
It's been really interesting, had a great day, love the office, love the people, fantastic.